With Philosophy Today, the Department of Philosophy at Trinity aims to showcase some of our research whilst also exploring its relevance to our modern daily lives. In my opening talk on February the 8th, I'll be exploring the ethics of transformative experience and romantic love. So transformative experiences are ones where we cannot know what they'll be like for us until we have them, and which are having change who we are, say, becoming a parent, emigrating to another country, or getting married. In particular, I'll be exploring a puzzle about when, if ever, we can permissibly try to stop our romantic partners from making transformative choices. And the puzzle goes like this. So on the one hand, it seems like we have good reasons to act to preserve the features for which we love our romantic partners. For example, if we think our beloved, by making a transformative choice, puts at risk one or more of the reasons for which we love them, then it seems like we have at least some reason to try to stop that. But on the other hand, we also have, I've argued elsewhere in another work, good reasons to grant people a certain degree of what I call revelatory autonomy over their transformative choice-making. And so it seems that our reasons to preserve the features for which we love people and our reasons to act to respect their revelatory autonomy are in conflict. So the question is, what should we do? I'll suggest an answer on February the 8th, and I hope you'll be able to join me for what I also hope will be the first in a fascinating series of lectures. I hope to see you there.